Good morning. Today is Saturday? Today's Saturday. I like that.
Saturday?
What day is it? Yeah, it's like 11 o'clock. I don't even know what time it is. I don't know what day it is. I don't know what time it is.
That's vacation for you.
Yeah. We slept in a little bit. I think we got up like around 9. We probably needed it. And I made breakfast, which I feel kind of bad I didn't vlog, but I'm sure we'll end up buying more groceries because we went to a grocery store. I actually went to 2 grocery stores, and neither of the grocery stores had like produce or fruit or eggs or meat. Like it was all just like canned goods. It's really weird. So we found like they have a lot of processed food.
Oh, the entire thing.
Yeah, but like and alcohol. And then all like along the streets, like you can randomly find these people who have like produce stands and they sell like eggs and produce and potatoes and stuff like that. So we bought like tomatoes and potatoes and eggs. I think that was it. So I just made like a little hash kind of thing, like with eggs and potatoes for breakfast. But it's really cool because everything's like really small. Like the onions were like the onion was like the size of like a golf ball. It was so cute. But I'm sure we'll buy more food, so I'll show you later. And yeah, but we just got ready to go to the beach. I think we're gonna go like lay out and play in the water a little bit and then get lunch. But I'm bringing my like action camera. We have like one of these cameras to bring with, and it doesn't have good audio. Actually, it pretty much doesn't have any audio, so it won't be talking. It'll just be music, which isn't my favorite. I don't really like watching videos on YouTube that are just like music, but whatever. All right, I'm rambling. I'm gonna go. Bye.
Just do a quick segment on the earthquake.
Oh yeah, there was a big earthquake in Taiwan last night. I guess it was like 4 o'clock in the morning, a 6.4. It's crazy. I'm glad. It seems like everyone like that I talked to, I'm glad it seems like they're okay, but crazy. Like a building collapsed in Tainan, and yeah.
Something's happening there. I've never been this close from you. The smell of your perfume makes me leave the ground. Your voice is the rain falling on my house. Your love is the plane that takes me off. And your heart sounds like and your heart sounds like and your heart sounds like